Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to convert your media. This includes converting 6-channel surround sound. I will be using any video converter because it's free, although I personally use a paid software because it's faster. So first drag the file you want to convert into the program. Make sure to deselect the subtitles or they'll be hard-coded onto the video. Select the audio channel. I'm picking 6 channels. If you don't have that option, the file isn't surround sound. You have an option of formats. I personally prefer mp4. Let's look at basic settings. Now make sure your video is set to the original size dimensions. Select high to keep the conversion from degrading too much. Let's go to video settings. Make sure to keep it at the original bitrate. Select auto frame rate and encode past 2 for a more accurate conversion. Let's go to audio settings. Set to ACC, bitrate 320 and sample rate at 48 kHz. Now for the most important part, audio channels. Your file must be selected on 6 channels. Once you're happy with all the settings, hit convert now. Note this has been sped up for your sanity. The speed of the conversion depends on your computer power and file size. Note, you cannot convert 2-channel stereo audio into 6 channels. All that will happen is 1 right channel, 1 left channel, and 4 blank channels. Once your file is finished converting, open up your editing software. Drag the file onto the timeline to check that it's all okay. You should be able to see all the audio channels. Hope this helps, and thank you for watching.